Back to our grow small account challenge. We started out on Monday with IWM. We advised to you guys it wasn't a range, so we kept trading it. It finally broke out of that range. It took out the 204.21 we were waiting on, so we jumped in a call, two contracts. We took profit at 33%. So it's a pretty decent trade. Not too much, just upping our size with the contracts. As you can see here, we did finish with 33%, which is our standard daily goal that we're working on in this challenge. And as the account grows, of course, those amounts will look different. So it'll be bigger amounts, bigger trades, eventually more than two contracts. KJ, one of our guys, he took his own trade with QQQ. You see, he cashed out 34%. He's working on the same type of plan, growing his small account, but we take profit at 30 because we know as our account grows, it'll be way more money. After that, on yesterday, which was Tuesday, we jumped in a put. It was actually selling off. So we got in a 198 put. We watched it bounce around. It began to sell off. We were trying to get below 202.56. I think that was our target on the chart. It got close to that area, but then it started chopping a lot around 202.70, 202.60, 202.80. So being that we weren't seeing a downward move where it was consistent and staying under the MA showing a downward trend, we went ahead and just cut that trade. I think we got down to about $2 loss and we cut it so that it wouldn't be a big loss. So almost broke even on yesterday, but $2 off. And then today we did not actually take a trade because we were watching the actual market as it was super choppy, being that yesterday it took out those lows. We knew that it wouldn't be selling off. And as we charted, we wanted to make sure we were correct about our chart. So what we did, we charted today to see if it would take out the levels we had listed. It took out the 205.17, which let us know that we could go ahead and be headed for an upward trend. Then when it took out the 205.56, we knew that we should see at least 207. If I'm not mistaken, today we finished we topped at like 207.68, which was a weird candle. You can see it on the chart here. One of our trading guys, VSJ, told us that it'd be a weird day with news. So we decided to sit out and back test today and we saved our capital. So sometimes it's okay not to trade. We'll see you next time.